I have to create a module structure. In that, firstly, I have to create one child module and parent module. Sir, firstly, I have to create one folder for today's date. And I open in VS Code by using to open that I use an command prompt to open in an VS Code. I using that code dot. It is open. Means I use that command called code dot. It opens in VS Code. Yes, sir. Code space dot. It's open in VS Code. Nextly, I want to create my child module and parent module. That is why I use a new folder here. A child module, and I have to create another module called parent module. Yes, sir. Inside that child module, have to create one resource group, VNet, Subnet, NSG, NI, and PIP. That is why in that child module only have to create some folders like resource group. Okay. Okay, sir. In firstly, in the under of in child module, have to create a resource group. Next, have to create an folder in the under the child module created on a resource group. Next, under this child module only, have to create another resource group. It is called VNet or resource. Okay, sir. Next, under this module only, have to create another resource called VNet subnet. Next, under this child module only, I have to create another resource called NSC Network Security Group. Next, under this child module only, I have to create another resource called NIC, means Network Interface Card. Okay, next, under this child module only, I have to create another one called PAP, Public IP Address. Next, coming to the parent module. In the parent module, we have two files such as main.tf, main.tf, and provider.tf. Okay, sir. Next, coming to this resource, in these resource, we have to create another files such as main.tf and variable.tf. Because why we have to create a variable.tf means we have to pass the variable from main.tf to the variable, means we won't expose our code directly. So- Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Firstly, have to create this under files means resource group main.tf, main.tf, and under this resource group only I have to create another file called variable.tf. Next, for that every resources have to create same main.tf and variable.tf. Okay. Yeah, okay, sir. Oh, Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. It's yes. Okay, sir. Uh, in NIC, what, sir? NIC folder. Ah, okay. Sorry, I don't know why. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Uh, yeah. I mean, active resource group subnet. I mean, it is okay, sir. Wait. Oh, this one. This one, sir. Ah, yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Sir, in that resource group, VNet, Subnet, PIP, NSG, and NIC have to create one main.tf and variable.tf. In the main.tf, have to take a code from a Terraform registry, have paste here, and I have to pass the means in the main.tf, have to pass the information from this variable.tf. For every resource, have to create one main.tf and variable.tf. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm. Yes, sir. Firstly, have to open the new tab, and for taking of a code, that's why I using a Terraform registry document. I using Terraform. Okay, Terraform Azure. Firstly, have to take a code from resource group. That is why have to type resource group. Have to click here first one Azure resource group from a Terraform registry. Next, it opens. Have to copy this code resource group example. It is a code of a resource group. Have to copy this code and have to paste in under the main.tf a resource group under the main.tf. How to paste here in this code. I have in this code it has blog. This blog name is called example, and this is called Azure resource group. In this resource group, it is very name of this resource group and which location have to create that resource. We have to mention here. Nextly, how to I'm not I'm not giving the name directly here in the resource in the main.tf. That is why I use an var means I'm going to use some other method called variable. In that variable only I have to pass that name and location. I using the blog name called variable. In that, which name I want to call this name, that name I have to give. I give rg underscore name. Type we have to give here means type we have to give here, or a default name we have to give, but in the parent module only have to give that name. This is the okay. Next I will go for name, and I'll pass the variable called var dot rg name. Next here I've same done nothing. I have to do same for that location also. I have to create one variable block. In that block I have to give one name called rg location. In that, this block name only have to pass from this variable var dot rg location. This is complete, and have to paste this variable means which variable have to pass that mean that should be under in variable.tf file only. I'll paste here so it won't copy. Wait, I'll copy this. I will copy and I'll cut and I'll paste here. Here location. Yeah. How to do same, and next have to take an code for VNet virtual network from the Terraform registry. How to search for Azure resource group is over. Next I have searched for VNet virtual network. VIRTU virtual network, and click for the first one, and have to take that virtual network blog. Here it is an virtual network blog. How to copy this code and how to paste under the main.tf under the virtual network in main.tf. How to paste here. Have to enclose it. And this also, okay, here I have done one mistake. I won't change this blog name, and we should change this blog name, or else it is, I want to change this blog name as resource. See, resource. Next, coming under this VNet, it also, it blog name is called as a resource, and have to change the blog name called what network on network. Next, I also change this name. I have to pass from this variable only. This is what I have to call this as what TUL virtual name ME. Okay, here it is already there. In this virtual network should be created under the resource group. In this resource group, under only the virtual network is created. That is why I using that reference called var dot rg location. I using this because why I have to use this location means in the resource group under only virtual network is created. That is why I use this location. And also I change name. It is gives name of resource group. Give resource rg name. Next, address space also have to pause var dot virtual address. Have to give a name as virtual virtual address add RESS. I give this name, and here I have to pass the variable. I taken blog name as variable and give it as a virtual name, which it is same. We won't give anything because we have to give in that parent module, which are the changeable values we have to give it. Next, have to pass the variable of location, rg location. Next, same has a variable as rg name, and have to take variable as address space. Address space, no, virtual address. VIRTUAL, virtual address. Okay. How to copy this, cut, and how to paste it in a variable.tf file. Okay, VNet is over. Okay, subnet is over. Resource group. Next, we have to take a code for NIC. Not NIC, NSG. First, we have to take a code for NSG. You have to go for Terraform registry, and here how to type it as Azure Virtual Network, not NSG. Network security group. Here it's come. I'll go for first one. Next, here the code is there. How to copy this code? Here enough. How to copy this code, and again I'll go back my file, my folder. Here in the main.tf, I have to paste here and put on close bracket. Here also have to change the blog name as for our convenient. Has to change this blog name as NSG. Next, have to pause the name also means virtual not virtual network security NSG name also have to pass. It is in the variable dot NSG name, and here also this NSG is created under the resource group only. That is why have to take under a reference of resource group rg location, and have to give an a resource group name var dot rg name. In this, have to take an one block name called variable. In this, which variable have to pass, that variable have to give rg underscore name. And one more, I'll give it has a variable, uh which one, nsg name. nsg name. How to copy this from their location, okay, name and nsg name. How to cut and how to paste it in a variable dot tf. Next, and NIC code means network interface code. Also, how to take the code from an Terraform registry. I type it as network interface card. NTERFAC network interface. I'll go for first one, and here I will search network interface and copy this. How to copy this and how to paste in my network interface card in the main.tf. Here also how to change my blog name as nic. Next, here also how to pass this variable from var dot nic name. nic name. And this also created here. Okay, wait, sorry. nic name. Here also it is created under the resource group name. That is why I have to give an resource group location, rg location. Here also var dot rg name. Here have to give the subnet id. By subnet id, it is taken, it is retrieving the data from subnet id or subnet id when the subnet is created. That is why I use data block. That is why I go back to my Terraform registry and I type it has data network for data for subnet id. Here it is there. Have to copy this and have to paste in my main main.tf folder under the nic. How to paste here and I have to give that name. Okay, this I have to give a first virtual name. I have to give var dot which name I'll give, forgot it. Virtual name only. vir vir virtual name. Here also I have to give positive variable as an var dot rg name, resource group name. Here, okay, here I mentioned it as an, how to change this blog name also. How to change it as subnet. Subnet only I have to give. Here I have to pass Azure subnet data. dot for subnet. Yes, VNet dot ID. And this here also I have to pass the variable var dot data name of NIC. Okay, here I have to pass. Have to take that variable and have to pass the data name NIC. Paste it. It's virtual network name, resource group name. Resource group name. Next, virtual network name, resource group name. I have to pass a name, location, NIC name also I have to pass. I NIC name and NIC name, resource group name. I will pass location. Have to pass location. RG location. Have to copy this, cut, and have to paste in my variable.tf, and same it is nothing but I have to PNS is over. Okay, have to take a code from PIP in my Terraform registry, and I'll go my document Terraform registry. Have to type public public IP address. Here it is there. I go for first one. Next, have to copy this code and have to paste in my main.tf in PIP here. Okay, I have to change my blog name. It has public PIP1, and it also have to pass in the form of variable var dot PIP underscore name. Next year I used the same resource group. This PIP is also create under the same resource group. That is why I use name resource group name var dot rg location. Next, and these values are passed. Okay, PIP name first one. Next, var in a variable how to pass it as location name and location variable name and rg location. How to cut it and have to paste in the variable.tf file. Okay, here for NSC, here the main code is there. Okay, variable.tf in the main. Okay, here it is the in PIP main code, and this is variable resource group in the variable. Okay, in a subnet. Okay, I have to take for subnet. VNet is over. From subnet also, how to use the same Terraform registry. Here I'm going to type it has subnet Azure for subnet subnet. Okay, it will give one. First one have to click for first one and to take this subnet. This much one enough. I have to take the subnet and I have to paste in my main.tf under the subnet. Here also I have to use that. I have to change my blog name as subnet 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 2. Next here also how to change var dot, how to change it as subnet name, subnet underscore name, name, and this subnet is also created under the resource group only. That is why I use the same resource group. RG location name, RG name. Firstly, the resource group name. Next var dot RG location. Next in this address prefix also have to change. Okay, var dot RG and not RG, subnet is UBN. It is subnet under address ADDRE. Yes, yes, address. Here have to pass this variable. Blog has subnet, first one, subnet name. Okay, variable name, RG name. Next here variable. Next RG location. In the RG location only it has to be. Next we have to take it has an, okay, next address. What address? Subnet address. Here only four values. Yeah. Next have to copy. How to copy, cut it, and have to paste here. Okay. Next, in the come to the parent module. SV here VNet is over. Okay, here DNS server is not. Here come to this, and now how to give an in the parent module. How to change means whichever resource group I want to give values are changed. That values means in which resource group I want to change my resource group name or something name location. In this module only have to give a resource one. The blog name should be different. That is why I have to give it as resource one. Here I have to the source. Here have to give a path first, slash first child module under the resource group. Here is the path. Next, have to check whichever the values have to change. RG name, which name I want to give. Have to type here. Have to type it as Pavitra 24. I want this name should be created the resource group under this name. Next, have to change it as RG location also. Which location I want? I want to type here East US. East US. Okay, next. Here only these two are come under the resource group. Next it is same nothing but as and VNet module. How to go for VNet? VNet. Okay, VNet one, because blog name should be changed. That is why I have to change here the source. Before going to source, this VNet is depends on the resource or resource group. That is why I have to type it as command called depends on resource one. Next, I have to take our source. Firstly, I have to give a path. Here, which one is VNet? This is a path. Next, I will to check what are the names should be given. This firstly have to check here how many it we have to pass. It has whatever the names changed means which virtual name have to given location name and virtual address. Virtual name vi or virtual name have to given whichever we want we have to give. Pavitra Virtual TUL VRTL. Next, have to change RG name, location name also. We use because okay in this VNet under the same resource group only this VNet is created. That is why I using the same resource group name in the VNet also. This VNet. Okay. I using this. I have to copy these two name and resource group, and I will paste here because this VNet is created under the resource group, same resource group only. That is why how to create. And last one is virtual address. VIR. Yes, here is a virtual address in which name I have to virtual address 10.0.0/16. It is a virtual address name I have given. Next, I'll go for subnet. MODVL. Subnet. I have to change this blog name. Subnet 2. I'll give. Next, this subnet is depends on a virtual network. That is why I type the command called depends on. This is called this is depend on the VNet. Next, I have to give a source. Have to give a path for the source. Okay, I have to give a path. Here the subnet is there. Next, how to check means what are the variables should be changed here. How to change subnet name, resource group name, location, and subnet address. Okay. Okay. How to copy this resource group name and location in this resource group name only. Resource group name and location. Here I have to change virtual name. Virtual name. Mm, variable have to change as not location. Virtual name. Virtual name. Okay. Here have to pause. This has virtual. First have to give a name. Which name have to pause? Okay. Okay. SUB subnet name. Okay. How to give the subnet name as Pavitra subnet. SUBNET subnet and in which and this subnet is created under the which virtual network. How to give VIR. How to give a same virtual network name. Copy and I'll paste. Okay. In which virtual network under subnet is created, have to take next virtual network subnet address I give and resource group name. Resource group name RG. Have to take the same resource group name because that virtual machine and the subnet these are created under the same resource. Next have to give for subnet address. Here the subnet address goes 0.0.1 for 24. Okay, next I'll go for after this subnet VNet subnet is over. I have to go for this NSG. It's network security group module NSG to NSG to next. Hi, this how to give it as source, and how to give a path nsg. Here is a path. How to check what are the variables should be changed in this nsg. How to take location name and nsg name, resource group name, location. Okay, resource. Firstly, how to check nsg name, in which name nsg has to be created. That name should be have to given Pavitra nsg, and this nsg won't depends on virtual network or any subnet. That is why this is created under the resource group. Next, I'll give resource group name. How to copy here resource group name and location. We want both for this nsg. Okay, this was over in Azure. For next, I'll go for network interface card. Here, okay, I have to check what are the variables should be passed. Data name, virtual name, virtual name, resource group name, NIC name, okay, RG location. Okay, next I have to create a module for NIC, NIC 3 or 4 I'll give because blog name should be changed. How to change for RG? No, first I have give for path. This path is NIC means network interface card. By using this code only um we have to connect with my virtual machine and virtual network. Next, resource group, which resource group it should be having. You have to copy here and have to paste. Next, this NSG name, NSG NIC name. Okay, for next I have to give for in which name NIC have to be created. Pavitra NIC have to give this name to, in this name only the NIC has to be created. And next I'll give NIC name. This location also I want. Virtual name also I want. Virtual name. We are in which virtual name it should be created. That name should be have to given to copy, paste, and which location also have to give. This is the location. How to give. Next, think data. What should I give? This? No, I won't give any name because this data block only it retrieving the data from created. Okay.
Now show me that file. Ne?
Okay,
NIC,
sir.
NIC, NIC main.tab. Why you are
Here,
given that uh, in line number 2?
yes,
Please
sir.
repeat. Yeah, why you given that?
Sir, your voice. This name. I think, sir. I thought this name also should be passed as variable. Now I am realized. No, it has same.
Yeah, it should be same
One sir.
name.
Yes, sir. Have to check once. Is out. backend only. It has to be.
Here it is mentioned backend,
Yes,
and that
yes,
name
sir.
is belong to the subnet.
Back
So you have to write your subnet name.
and subnet name.
Ah. Not subnet name. What
No,
you have mentioned in subnet. Go to main.tf of subnet. What name you have given
here
here?
subnet name.
Yeah, you have to copy
Subnet.
that name.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
To paste and
And you have to
subnet.
create the variable.
Subnet name. This is our- which subnet name have even subnet name. Have to copy this and okay. NSG is over. I have to change for PIP. PIP research PIP name.
You have to change one more thing there in NIC. Go to
Yes,
main.tf.
sir, your voice is not audible. Please, sir.
Okay, wait.
Here, I have to resource. I have to change it for PIP. It only takes RG name.
Now it's
I have
okay.
to
My
copy
voice.
from this only. It wants both. Hello, sir.
Now my voice is okay.
Your voice having some fluctuations. That is why RG PIP name. PIP name. PAV Pavitra. PIP. Yes, sir. It's okay. Just have to take a code from provider. Now I have to. Okay, sir. This is NIC main.tf. Uh, yes, sir. Uh, okay, sir. Uh, okay. Yes. Mm. Okay, sir. Let us submit. Uh, okay, this mistake. Okay, sir. Uh, yes, sir. Uh, main.tf, sir, in parent module. NSC. Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Sir, wait. I will take the code for provider.tf, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. I completed this. I have to show one. This is a provider.tf, not main.tf file, sir. This is for resource group one, and this is for VNet. Sir, this subnet address is correct or not? You tell me once. This is it. Yes. Okay, sir. Sir, this is for NSG, and this is for NIC and PIP, sir. Okay. Depends on resource group. Sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can I create one repo in there? Repository name. I give today's name. Score today name 27 2025. So now how to write a description, sir? Give the yes, yes, sir. Give the description. Yes, had created our repo up. I want I CRIP description for that. I'm going to do the Terraform Terraform provisioning. Provisioning. Okay, sir. RG, VNet, Subnet, Subnet, NSG, NIC, PIP. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very thing done. Structure. Yes. Child, child module. Okay, this much. Hmm. Sir, wait, sir. Sorry. Sir, this network interface call, I have to take that. Yeah. To copy this and paste it in description, sir. Sir. Sir, now I paste it in this description part. It shows at least 50 characters, not longer. Yes, sir. I have to give this prompt, make it has an 350. Can I put enter, sir? Sir, this much only for NIC. Ayo, this also it. Yeah, I have to copy and again I it. Okay. Yeah, it's taken. How to create a repo. Next, I have to push this to the my repo. Wait, I'll copy this code, HTTPS code. First, have to give a command called git init. Next, git and GitHub. Sir, no, sir, I'm not clearly know about Git and GitHub differentiation. Yes, sir. Git, I think Git is a tool. In that GitHub, we have to means under this Git, we have to use that GitHub like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know that. I know it. Okay. Yes, sir. And okay, sir. Git is versioning tool. Okay, sir. Mm. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm. Yes, sir. The speed feedback. It and GitHub. Here's okay. What is Git? Yes, sir. it's installed. Okay, sir. Helps you to yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Work of finance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's store that. Sir. Yes, sir. With time. Yes, sir. Internet. Mm. Push. Yes, sir. CSV tools. Yes. Yes, sir. Tool. Platform. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, yes, sir. I'm clear. Yes, sir. Next, I have to write a command called git remote add origin or ig in, and have to paste this in this command. It will be connect our local system to that repository where the repository is there. I put enter and I check whether it is connected or not. Remote minus v. Yes, it fetch and push from this remote. Next, how to change from master branch to the main branch. That's why I have to use a command called git branch nch. Sir, here it will show us as a master branch. Hello, sir. Your voice is not. Sir, here is a master branch. I have to change it as an. It has to be in the main branch. Here how to check how to change it for main branch. Varian ch minus m, which name I want to change it as a main. That is why how to change here. It should be changed it as a main branch. It should be converted from main master to main. Next, I have to use a command called pull git pull origin origin main allow allow un unrelated unrelated HSTO. From this command, in the git pull, it will fetches the data which has to be updated in that repo, and it has to be merged in our local system from the command called git pull. It will be fetched and it merged in our local system by using a command called git pull. Next, we have to check the status. Yes, status. Here the two should be added. Two folders should be added. That is why have to use a command called git add space dot these files are module files, child module and parent. Yes. Okay, sir. It is untracked files. Okay. Yes, sir. I've done add space dot. Here have to check yes. Here the all the files are under the tracking system. Tracked. Next, have to yes, sir. Tracking staging area. Next, I have to commit minus m. Have to write some added the code code some description here. The commit has to be done and have to push it to the my repository push push minus u to the origin main. Okay, have to check in my repo whether the code is there or not. Have to refresh it. Yes, here the two folders. One is child model and parent model. My folders. Yes, oh, yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Here. Mm. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Both. Yes, sir. Yeah. I closed. Okay, sir. Sir. Okay, sir. Fine. Yeah. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Here some noise is there. I'm sorry for that. Yes, sir. Here in our village, they are celebrating Ganapati. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. It's copied. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. It is there. Mhm. Can I put enter? It's cloning to the repo. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I paste it here. Okay. How to- Yes, sir. Mm. It will not get repository. What is this? Yes, sir. Uh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is added. Mm. This one is easier, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. Yes. Sir, here in which there is a no change of the branch, no, sir. We won't change the branch. It is yes, sir. Sir, have one doubt. Sir, in previous method, here it comes as a master branch, and afterwards we will convert it into the main branch. For this, here only the main branch only comes. How I don't know. Yes. Mm. So for previous also have to taken that code, no, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What, sir? I'm not. Uh, okay. How to put this code that issue? Okay. Okay. Yes. I'm just there's much of us. Okay. Sir. How to delete? Sir, I have to delete this project, no? Or Yeah, sir. Here it is there. In the project settings, how to delete. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. VNet. No. So these. Okay. Here I have imported that file, sir. Next, how to check whether my agent is running or online or not. Here my agent is there 24. I think it is in offline. Open in terminal. Here's dot con 5g config dot cmp. Okay, okay. Run. Yeah. Mm, run dot cmp. Cmp. Run. Sorry, it shows some error. Run.cmt. I think have to give URL or something. Here, what is this error? Please examine the details. Connecting to the server. Sir, here have to give this link. Not authorized. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Why this error? Can check for another command. Not too much of disturbances there. So how can I? That you were trying to start your Azure self-static agent fail to create session you were not authorized to access. Commonly, person of acts remove and again I have to configure and provide a new path. Wrong organization URL. Sir, here I have to give the URL name and path name also. Okay, first I have to remove. Again, I have okay. I have to give an enter. Press an enter. I have to take this path number. Sir, I can give this path number. Okay. No. I logs. What you want? Yeah. Sorry. Put enter. It will show error. You are not authorized. Sir, firstly I have to give that server name. No, sir. URL. Okay. Copy. I see enter but still you not authorized with accept access of this. This means you are not agent setup itself. Okay. You must include the organization. Yes, sir. This agent must be used to session name. Sir, how to use this? How to use that organization URL, no, sir? Yeah. Sir, here how to give that organization URL, organization name it wants. Problem. Sir, this is my organization. Here how to configure, sir, or how to run dot cmd. Error. Yeah. Sir, in Azure DevOps, I have to delete. Yeah, how to delete. Okay. This one also have to delete. This at 26. This file. Here I have to paste. Copying one. It's I think downloads. Uh, okay. Okay. Run. To give. Yeah. Yes. Sir, can I refresh? Oh, here. Yes. Yes, sir. It's come only. Uh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. App registration. Yes. In service connection only, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. Organization. New service. Uh, okay. Okay, sir. Use name of basic resource. Tra- 2025. Okay. Accounts. Okay. Sorry. Here's Azure subscription. I have to give IAM of services. Here, role assignments. Hello, sir. Here, how to give. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, add role assignments. Privileged administrator. Here, I have to give contributor role now, sir. Here, select the members. Here, Pavitra. PVITHR. Pavitra. Here, application. Which one? This one, sir. 2000. This application only. Select. Mm, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Mm. Have to- Here I have to give Azure Resource Manager. And next, here I have to second one. Here this one, secret. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Subscription name and subscription ID. Okay, sir. Let's see. Here subscription name. Array. Okay, sir. Application client ID. Here. Here. Application client ID. Copied. The directory name. Here it is. Ah, ah, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Here, client secret. Yeah. Add a certificate. Right. Ah, here. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Federal. Okay. New client secret. Okay. Yeah. Pavitra. Yes, sir. AMT expire 6 months. How to change it for 3 months, sir? Secret. Secret ID. Secret. Yes. Ah, yes, sir. Sir, this value. Secret value. Ah, sir. Client secret. Okay. Service connection name. Yes, sir. Service and no description. Security. Yeah. Grant access permission. After review. Okay, sir. Mm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, wait, sir. Pipeline. Create a pipeline. Next, Azure Git repo. Or, yes, sir. Yesterday we run. Not yesterday, sir. Day before yesterday we run one YAML file. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I go through, but I have some confusion in there to see that schema. Startup pipeline. Okay. Sir, here this one we have to delete this script, no, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, in that, yes, sir. Okay. Job parameters. Service. CHG. Schema. Mm, this one, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, now, where it is? Wait, sir. Pipeline. Here, sir, some stages. Here, there, no, sir. How to write in manual way in these. This one, YML files. Sir. Yes. Schema. Azure schema. Yes. Stages. Okay. Here steps. Uh, this one, sir. Implement. Yes, sir. This. Yes, sir. In the steps. Okay, sir. In the steps. Yes, sir. Square bracket. Okay. It should be in square bracket. First. Okay. First of square bracket. Echo. CHO. Echo. or LD. Okay, sir. Agent 124. Sir, full name is nothing but agent name, sir. Yes, sir. 24. I have to erase this string also, sir. This is under this. No. Step. This trigger is yes, sir. Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. None is for manually. First list. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one. Next. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Have to go back and edit the pipeline. Full one. Sir. Sir. No, sir. Parent. Okay, sir. Yes. Sir. Finishing bash. Start bash. Yes, sir. It's one to one. Yes, sir. Ex- Yes, sir. Okay. Secret. Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Certification. Yes, sir. Sir, uh, sir, in the service connection also we have to delete. Yes, sir. Yeah. Uh, registrations. Here to service. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.